Hi guys, welcome back to Scripted Success Master. We are at a chapter 6 and we will learn toolbar in detail. Okay, let's go for one super cool search bar here at the first place. Okay, I love this option because it has an option to search in the menus. Let's say last time we discussed how to insert a link from the insert bar. Let's say you forgot the location from how to insert the link. What you can do, just click on the search here, click on and type insert link, so it will show directly the option. Once you click it, you can see the formula directly. You just copy paste the formula and you can go further. It's a straightforward and simple method to search any option in the menu. One more point to search here, as we can click here as a Control F. Once you click on Control F, this small window will open. Let's say I want to search employee name here. I am searching, let's search Pooja. Oh, but you can see Pooja name is repeating thrice and in the both columns A and B. So now I just want to restrict the search in the A column only. So what you can do, click on these three dots and you will get these many options. Okay, now what you want to do, it will show you options to find and replace. Okay, so let's say you want to search Pooja in only A column. So what you should do, instead of searching in the all sheets, you should search in specific range. Here it will ask you to select the range, so you should click here. Once you click it here, select the A column, it will auto populate here and click on OK. Now what you should click on find, so it will show you directly wherever Pooja is there on the A column. So click here again, find, click here again, then it has shown 3 times. And now once you click on a find again, so what it is showing, no more results found, looping around. So it is going back to the first search. That's the magic here. Next point, let's say if you want to change the Pooja spelling or anything other than Pooja, you can replace it here. So let's say I want to write it like a Pooja, just a spelling change. Okay, what you can do in the specific column A, so instead of find, you should check replace. So what will do, it will replace Pooja by this Pooja. So replace it, so you can see automatically. Previously Pooja is like Pooja, now it is like Puja. If you want to do that all over the A column, wherever Pooja is like that, you can click on replace all. So what you have seen, Pooja here also it changed, Pooja here also it is changed. So this is so simple. Okay, we'll go to the next. Let's say next option is undo and redo. Okay, now what we have done, we have changed spelling, but now we got to know ki our spelling was wrong. So what you can do, just click on undo. So what will happen, wherever previous action it got, click again, so it will go back to further. So it's like a simple function. Next is redo, same thing, it will just go to the function whatever you had done previously. Just click here, so it is like undo and redo. Next option is print. This is so simple and you should learn this trick wherever you want to print the data, but you don't want to print whole Excel sheet. Now what you should do, select the cells whatever you want to print, click on the print button, it will populate like this. So it will show you options like you want to print whole sheet or you just want to select the selected cells. So you should click here. Now it will ask for a paper size, you select the whatever paper size you want. Page orientation, you should select whatever you want. Fit, and then there is a scale, you want to fit to screen, normal, you can select it here and just click on next and it will show you the printer option to select. As of now it's not connected to printer, so it will not show the option. Okay, I'll just cancel this. Next option is paint format. So let's say I'll do some changes here. I'll make this bold, italic, and I'll just change the color to red. Okay, now what I want to implement these changes on the employee name cell also. So what I do, I'll go here again, just do, and this I should not do that. So instead of that, what I can do, you just select the cell where you want to, then you select the paint format and just click on the reference cell. So what will happen, same thing will implement on the this cell also. So this is the paint format option. So it will format everything whatever you want to replicate in the another cell. I'll just do again Control Z and make it as it is. This option is zoom option. It's pretty simple. It will zoom the sheet whatever you are seeing. Let's say I want little bit zoom, so it will like zoom it. I'll want zoom out. Simple option. Next is $, format as a currency. We will cover format, data, tools and these options in upcoming videos, but this toolbar is important, so I'm going through these options. So let's say I want to do the $sign here as a salary because it's a salary format. So what I can do, select the numbers, click on the $sign, so it will convert directly into the number format, and number format is currency format. Next is percentage. Let's say I want to know Vikram Verma's salary compared to the overall total salary. So what I can do, click here, select this salary and divide by this salary. What it is showing 0.0437, but this is not as per my requirement. I want that in percentage. So what you should do, select the cell, click on % button, so it will automatically adjust it as a percentage. Similar thing you can do through Control 5 or Control Shift 5 as per your keyboard setting, so it will automatically convert into percentage. Next two things are digit adjustments, so decimal places adjustment. So what you can do, let's say it is showing 4.38 and you don't want the points after the decimal. So what you can do, you can just click here, so it will automatically reduce the decimals, or if you want to increase it, you can increase it through clicking here. So it is just applying the mathematical rule. If last digit is more than 5, it will round up to greater number for the previous one. Let's say if it is a 6 and 8. So now if I am reducing the digits, you can see automatically as 8 is more than 5. So it is converting this 6 into the 7 automatically. So it will simply using the basic mathematical rules. Next is formats. So now if I want to change, or like let's say if I want to change this into currency, so you can click here, select as a currency, it will convert that into the currency. It's just simple. You can select it from here, you can select it from here also, or you can select it from format option also. So this has more options, like you can select the automatic function as a plain text, number, %. You can select n number of options here. We'll cover this in upcoming chapters in detail. Okay. Next option is font size. So let's say I want to change the font size for the heading. So you can go here. You can select any format, whatever it is showing here. I just want little bit bold and bigger format. So I'll just click here on the Vardhana and then it is changing my format. Yeah, as simple as that. If I want to change that again, it will change again. I'll do Ctrl Z. Next is font size. Okay. Now this is something so pretty simple. You select the heading, or if any cell you want to change the font size, I'll just select the heading. I'll increase or decrease the font size from here. I'll just click on 14, so it just increase the font size for the particular selected cells. If I can control it from here also, these plus and minus buttons. Okay. Now next option is bold, italic, strike. This is also pretty simple. You select the cells, whatever you want to change the formats. You select and click on bold, it will create it bold. If you create italic, it will be italic. If you want to strike it out, you can strike it out like this. If you click again, it will just strike it out back. So it's so pretty simple. Next option is text color and fill color. Text color is something, once you click on the cell, the text within the cell will get color change. So let's say I want to convert that in red color for the text. So I can click here. So text will be converted into the red. I'll go back. If you want to reset the setting, you just go and reset it. So it will be simple back as a black. Next is fill. So fill the color. So fill color is option where whole cell will get that color. So let's say I'm selecting this cell and I'm clicking here and I'm selecting some different color for that cell. So it will change the cell color but not the text color. Okay, I'll just reset it to back, so it will be transparent again or white again. Next option is borders. So this is pretty simple. You select the cells whatever you want to change the border. If you want full borders or all borders, you select it, it will get all side. I'll just show it here, you will get a better idea. I'll just select all borders, so you can see all 4 sides got the borders. Okay, now another I can show. Let's say you want to put the borders in middle only. Let's say I want to put a border at the outer body. So let's say I'll select these and I'll just select this option. So what it is doing, just putting the borders at the background. Simple. You can change the border thickness, border color from here. Let's say you want to change the border color, you can select it here and click on the border, so it will just show the border whatever you have selected. Again the same thing, if you want to change the thickness of the border, you can select it a thickness or format of the border, you can change it from here. Let's say I'm just selecting dotted and preferring the red color. I'll just do the all borders again and you can see all the dotted border with the on the all both the sides in the red color. Okay, I'll just format as it is everything. So what I should do, click on the format, I'll select the options, again click on the format, I'll select the cells. Just make sure whatever cell you are selecting, format should be same for the same type of cell. So let's say this is a text, so you should use formatting for the other columns for text only. So you should not cross text with the salary. So it will be like this. So it will treat it like a text and formulas will not be applicable here. Okay, I'll just do undo. Next option is merge. Let's say I want to merge these 2 cells, these 3 cells. So what I should do, I'll just click here and merge this cell. So it will act like a single cell, and you have multiple options here, just merge all or merge horizontally or unmerge. Let's say you want to click unmerge, so it is back to the normal position. Next is alignment. So let's say I want to align this in the center. So what you can do, you can click here and you can click as a left, center and right align. So you just click on a center, so it will get automatically center align. Similar thing, let's say I'll just increase the row thickness, so you will get the idea. So what, as of now it is on the lower position, so let's say I want that to be in the middle. So there are 3 options, upper, middle and lower, or you can call it as a top, middle and bottom. You just select it as a middle, so it will come to the center position of the cell. It is as simple as that. I'll just again change it. Now next is text wrapping. Let's say you want the column width to be this much only and you don't want to increase it, but you want to see whole data or whole information whatever is there in the cell. So what you can do, you select the cells. As of now I'm just selecting whole column because I want to see all the email IDs here. So what you can do, you can just go here, text wrapping, you can wrap the text like this, so you can get the full data or you can view full data whatever is there in the cell. If you go back to the normal setting, it will be like this. It is like a, this option is a clip function. Clip is nothing but, let me do like this so you will get an idea. Let's say I am increasing or adding one column here. So what now you are saying, B column has a overflowing to the C column. So this clip option, once you click it, you can see it is now not spilling to the column C. So it is as simple as that. You can double click, you can increase the column width, or you can just do this and you stop the spilling for that particular cell on the next cell from this option, clip option. Okay, next option is text rotation. So it is as simple as that. I'll just increase the row thickness for your understanding. Let's say you want to change the orientation of this heading, salary. I want to do that in a vertical position, let's say. So what you can do, you have multiple options here, just little bit tilt up, tilt down, stack vertically, stack down. So you can change it from here. Let's say I want to make it little tilt up. So it's as simple as that. You just select it at the center, so it will come as a center option. You can just select the orientation, so it will be like this. So this will be helpful whenever you are managing the whole table, but may not be applicable for this table. But these functions are very useful whenever you are presenting the tables to the someone for a better visibility. Okay, for next options you can click here. Next option is insert link, which we have covered already. Next option is insert command, that's also we have covered already. Next is insert chart, that we haven't covered, but we will cover that in upcoming chapters. This is important function. This is a create filter. Okay, for that I have to select the cells first. Now what you can do, you can click here to create a filter view. You just click here. So what will happen, you can see some changes on the table. So what you can do, you can filter the table as per the filter you want. So you click here, there are multiple options, we will cover that in detail afterwards. You can select from the table, you can click over. Okay, so whole table will get aligned as per the filter, whatever you have. We'll cover this in detail in upcoming chapters. If once you click on the remove filter, it will remove the filter and the table will be as it is. Next is filter views. This also we will cover in next chapters. This is functions. This also we have covered already. Once you click here, you can click on the functions and you can add the functions directly from here. So it's pretty simple like that. You can click on the sum, so it will like a function, you will get a straightforward here. Okay, thanks guys. So we covered all the points in a toolbar, and now please come and visit the my YouTube channel for the upcoming chapters for a format, data, tools and all these options. So we'll cover these in detail in upcoming chapters. Thanks for watching.